What if some of the biggest discoveries in history did not arrive as answers? What if they arrived as stains, hiss, static, and junk data? The kind most people would delete without a second thought. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen was not hunting for a medical revolution. He was studying cathode rays when a screen nearby began to glow. That stray glow became X-rays, and for the first time, humanity could look through flesh and see structure hidden inside the body. A year later, Henry Becquerel found that uranium salts fogged a wrapped photographic plate without sunlight at all. That ruined plate opened the door to radioactivity, and suddenly matter itself was no longer quiet. Then the pattern got stranger. In 1912, Victor Hess carried instruments into the sky, expecting radiation to fall with altitude. Instead, it rose. The nuisance was not local contamination. It was radiation from space. By 1932, Karl Jansky was trying to understand interference in radio communications when he traced a persistent hiss to the center of the Milky Way. Static stopped being a technical problem and became a new sense organ for astronomy. And still, the universe kept entering through the back door. In 1965, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson were trying to remove unwanted microwave noise from a horn antenna. The signal would not go away, because it was not a fault in the machine. It was the afterglow of the early universe, the cosmic microwave background, the faint thermal residue of the Big Bang. 2 years later, Jocelyn Bell Bernal noticed a tiny irregular scruff in chart recordings, a signal so odd it could have been dismissed as interference. It turned out to be the first pulsar, the lighthouse beam of a rotating neutron star. So here is the hidden structure. Again and again, reality first appeared in forms humans were trained to distrust. A glow outside the experiment, a fogged plate, a stubborn discharge, a hiss in communications gear, a scratch in the chart. Not polished truth. Instrumental garbage. That is what makes this pattern so unsettling. We like to imagine discovery as a heroic march toward clarity, but history keeps showing something messier. Whole domains of reality first entered science disguised as error. The invisible body, the unstable atom, radiation from space, the radio sky, the birth echo of the cosmos, the corpse of a star spinning in darkness. The lesson is not that every glitch is profound. Most glitches are just glitches. That is the annoying goblin at the center of method. But the deeper lesson is harsher. If you clean the data too quickly, if you worship smoothness too much, you may erase the universe before you ever meet it. Maybe that is how discovery really works. Not by chasing perfection, by noticing what refuses to disappear. The next world-changing discovery may already be on the screen, blinking like a mistake.